Hey everybody, welcome to Your Beautiful Table. Your Beautiful Table is a website and a YouTube channel all about how to help you make your table beautiful. Today we're going to talk about this candle, the scented candle from Bath & Body Works called Autumn Woods, so stay tuned. Thanks everybody for coming on back. If you're new to the channel and you like content about home decor, tabletop decor, china, linens, glassware, silverware, all that kind of good stuff, consider subscribing to Your Beautiful Table because we'd love to have you. One of the great things about candles is that they can really transform a table and help you have both fragrance and beauty. And this one, this Autumn Woods candle from Bath & Body Works, has been a fall favorite for me. So let me bring it up to you. First of all, this particular presentation is in this beautiful sort of olive green frosted jar. It's got a fun label here that is, it's a sticker label with these embossed stickers. There's like a little bunny with a scarf. There is a fox here with a bird on its back, lots of leaves. Just as a fun look, not taking itself so seriously, but if you wanted to have a classier appearance, you could just turn it around, have this frosted glass. On the top, it is sort of a copper top here with, it's like a brush copper top with leaves and different images with acorns here on the lid. I'm going to take the candle lid off here, and you can see that it's a regular 3-wick candle from Bath & Body Works. And this candle has had a little bit of swirling that's happened as the candle's burned, and it's got a little bit of discoloration, but the frosted and sort of quasi, well, the frosted, I was going to say opaque, but you know, you can see where the wax pool is formed because the wax is discolored a little bit, but this candle jar helps prevent you to be able to see it, so it's not that unattractive. But you can see that there's a little bit of swirling there. But not a lot of soot or smoke on the side of the jar. This one's burned really well. These wicks have been robust. They have helped to create a wax pool really quickly. So overall, I've been impressed by the candle performance so far. Those of you who are familiar with Bath & Body Works know that this 14.5-ounce candle, it lasts for like somewhere between 25 and 45 hours. I've gotten good candle burns out of this one, so I'm like enjoying the performance. Now let's talk a little bit about the candle fragrance or scent. The scent notes on these are really unique. So dark walnut, English lavender, white amber with essential oils. So much different from like a spicy pumpkin-y fall candle. This one can lean into almost like a cologne leathery fragrance, but it doesn't knock you out. It's not like Jacquard Noir. It is fresh and fun, but definitely goes toward that men's cologne fragrance. It is bright in your nose. This is one that you can burn during the day and probably take into the evening, but it's definitely one that is unique for a fall fragrance. So when I think about sort of those men's colognes that are spicy and like musk and but have like a tinge of like fresh, gosh, that freshness is probably that like English lavender that just comes through. So this candle is one that has a lot of fragrance intensity. Even on cold, when I take the lid off, I can smell the fragrance bubble even just this far away from the candle. So you can enjoy it on cold, placing it on an end table or like a coffee table or behind the sofa. When it's lit, it has a lot of fragrance intensity. So once it forms a full wax pool, you'll definitely have room-filling fragrance and probably home-filling fragrance as well as it wafts from room to room. This is one that you'll wanna burn and enjoy on the bright sunny fall days, but it's also one that you could probably get away with moving into sort of holiday time or even after holiday time. So even though it says Autumn Woods, this is one that I could imagine burning in January and February just to have a bright, fresh, clean fragrance. It's definitely one that you might enjoy in the bathroom. It's got sort of that clean, not like Pine Sol, but it sort of lends itself to that. Versus in the kitchen. Like this, I think would not match well with the fragrances of the kitchen. It's definitely more for a living room, those living spaces, a bedroom, or a bathroom. It kind of tickles your nose with that bright fragrance. So overall, this is a candle that I would buy again because it is such a unique fragrance. Autumn Woods, I think, is a really popular fragrance in Bath and Body Works. A lot of people enjoy it. I like the presentation. I've enjoyed the candle performance, and I like the fragrance throw, and I like the fragrance mix. So all in all, this is a great candle to add a little bit something different in your repertoire for fall. So friends, hopefully you've enjoyed this quick review of the Bath and Body Works Autumn Woods candle. If you like candle reviews, if you like things about tabletop decor and how to make any table in your home a beautiful table, consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time.